The end is nigh, if you believe Hollywood. Turn on your TV to watch The Walking Dead and you will feel that zombies are waiting for us behind the door. While there are examples of parasites inhabiting the brains of other creatures in nature, there is no evidence of zombies rising from their graves. However, you won't lose if you keep yourself prepared. The fire will keep you warm, you can cook with it and you will be safe. Whether you are in a field camp, learn to light a fire without a lighter or match, and in this case you will be far ahead of all the survivors in the world. You can bring a flint or a steel set with you. Learn challenging friction-based ways to light a fire or use a lens that focuses sunlight. Both of these are skills you need to learn, so start practicing now. Plus, if all else fails, a fire can signal your need to save or burn the ground where the zombies are, both of which can save your life. No one wants to fight the apocalypse with germs and bacteria in their stomach. So boil the water you use. The CDC recommends boiling water for 1 minute, or 3 minutes if you're above 6,562 feet. Take waterborne diseases seriously, and every adventurer knows that the risk of contracting these diseases is high. You can avoid these dangers by understanding the preventive instructions and following them, regardless of the abnormal things that may distract you. An experienced prospector knows how much the land can provide you. Knowing which plants can kill you and which can keep you alive can be the difference between surviving the slow destruction of our current society or succumbing to the dangers of its collapse. So prepare a guidebook that introduces the plants of your area. Know the mushrooms and vegetables around you. As a result, enjoy your poison-free salad before the apocalypse and in your safe place. If you give a person a fish, he will eat it for a day. If you teach him to fish, he will be able to feed himself before the water becomes infected with a zombie virus and all the fish become inedible. Until that day, fishermen are one step ahead of others to prepare food. Build your skills now. Find out which fish are poisonous and which fishing method is best. Fishing with hook, spear or net fishing. To make sure that when the fateful day comes, you will be able to find food. Abandoned village camps are carefully set up and the environment is thoroughly clean to avoid any attraction for wildlife, and nothing is more savage than a zombie. To avoid both, do not camp in the path of these unpleasant creatures and keep anything that smells like food, or yourself, away from their wandering noses. Follow these rules and you're more likely to have a trouble-free night. It just might make your nightmare of your new reality subside. The zombies we see on the screen are certainly scary, but there are skills that their endurance cannot cope with, such as rock climbing. Popular culture has portrayed zombies as having neither the physical ability nor the mental capacity to climb a stone wall. How are we humans? We have this ability. If you can climb a cliff, put aside your fear of heights and take this opportunity.